Alright, now we're going to 43, which is given by y equals to x. I'll put a dot there because this is now sinh. It's a product rule. Arc sinh of, I've got 1 over the 3 x, so that I can derive it easy because it's x over the 3. It's a third anyway. Then minus the root of 9 plus x squared. Alright, so let's go derivative. So y prime, this one, it's product rule. I stop the x, I derive the yellow one. Let's go back and find the rule. Yeah, it's aqua. It's 1 over, 1 plus square root of x squared. So it's given by, let me put it, it's u prime divided by square root, ne? 1 plus what? Yes, it must be u squared. Let's verify that. There it is. Yep. So there we go. So we can tell what everything is in our head. The u is that 1 over the 3. The derivative of 1 over the 3x is 1 over the 3. Isn't it right?
Yes.
So right at the top, I've got 1 over the 3. Divided by the square root. I need to square that one. So it's 1 plus, when I square that one, it must be x squared over the 9. We good, ne? Now, if we're to flip it over, I know this 3 here. This 3 here must definitely come down there. Isn't it right?
When you flip it over?
It's a fraction, this one here. So in other words, if I say this is over 1, so meaning I'm going to have 1 over 3, I'm doing the rough work, times by 1 over the root of, so that 3 will be with it. That 3, it comes down to be together with the root. Alright, so I'm going to remove that, cut that, meaning here we're having a 1. The 3 is definitely here. Alright, maybe we will try and simplify this one also. Then second part, you must say plus. You derive this one. The root of x is just 1. Then you're left with sinh, arc sinh of 1 over 3x. Aha. Now we need to derive that one. So minus. So this one here, it is the power rule. Because you're having 9 plus x squared to the power of half. Alright, so when you derive that, the half will come. It will be 1 all over the 2. Open bracket. 9 plus x squared, you subtract 1 from the half, it's negative half, times by the derivative of what's inside, which is 2x. Alright, you can see that 2 and that one, they cancel. This one, it goes under as the square root of, isn't it right?
Yes.
Alright, but let's not forget this x here. So, which means it's gonna be, when I fix here at the top using the minus and that x, it will be minus x divided by the root of 9 plus x squared. That's what we expect here. Alright, so let's remove all of that and we will go put it there. So cut that. Then we're having negative x divided by the root of 9 plus x squared. Alright, so it should be done, but because we're having divided by 9 here, we can do the LCD here and fix it. Because this x here, it's the same as here. Because I suspect, yeah, 9 plus x squared, it's gonna come up there again. Alright, so let's work with this part here, just demonstrate how it's gonna look like. Okay, so that part, which is we're having that, it's 1 plus x squared over 9. This one is the same as 9 over the 9, isn't it right?
Yes.
So when you do LCD, you're now having 9 plus x squared over the 9, isn't it right? Then you can work out the square root of the numerator. So that means now it becomes square root of 9 plus x squared over the 3. So if we take this, we now place it here. We want to place it here now. Some things are going to cancel. So which means you now have the root of 9 plus x squared divided by 3. The 3 and the 3 cancels one another. Alright, now this is what we got. I'm going to write it in green. Here we now have x divided by the root of 9 plus x squared, and then plus arcsinch of x over the 3, and then minus x over the root of 9 plus x squared. That and that are like terms. They cancel, don't they?
Yes.
Yeah. Then you just left with arcsinch of x over the 3, close bracket. So that will be the final answer there.